Hi. As you can see, I've finished my iPod. I think it looks pretty good. I left the green center button right there because I didn't get another one. You can see I put the new screen on, and it's a lot better than the other one. Back looks pretty good. I think I'm gonna get the Apple logo engraved back on it. And I also replaced the click wheel and the headphone jack. You can see well, you can't really see it, but it's not black in there anymore like it used to be. It's all fresh and white. And I did get an iPod cord so I can charge it now. And you can see everything functions pretty good. And I love this new center button that came with the click wheel. It's effortless. I just barely have to press it anymore. Before I had to put like my whole body weight on to make it go. I took Rockbox off because I was supposed to have a new iPod that played video, but it turns out that's broken also. So I'm going to have to go to Apple and see if I can get that fixed. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's my case modded refurbished iPod. So that's pretty much it. By the way, just in case you were wondering about what my old screen looks like, this is my old screen. And this is my new screen on here. So when I put this old screen on my new screen, that's what it used to look like. I can like barely even read it at all. So an example, doorbell. An example, Sonic Cup now. Sonic Cup with old screen. Shut up! You can see the difference. It was really bad. So yeah, you can not see the reflection of my light. And you can see it right there. It was scratched beyond scratched, and it was horrible. So I just took a CD and cut it and made a new screen.